A home is not just walls and a roof. It's the first laugh of a child, the quiet after a long day, the place where life happens when nobody is watching. And for years, we've been trusted to transform that sacred place. We started with simple spaces, a kitchen here, a bathroom there, one family at a time, one design at a time. We listened, we sketched, we tore down, rebuilt, and refined. We learned that a kitchen isn't just for cooking, it's where stories are shared. A bathroom isn't just a room, it's where the world falls silent, and it's finally just you. A home addition isn't just extra square footage, it's a bigger life. We didn't just complete projects, we conquered categories, home additions, kitchens, bathrooms, and beyond. We elevated homes, we raised standards, we committed to excellence every single time. People see the final pictures, but what they don't see is the obsession. The late nights measuring the same line again. The arguments over two shades of white that look the same to everyone else. The quiet moment when a client steps into their new space and doesn't speak. That silence, that's when we know we got it right. What you're seeing now, these projects, they are not the announcement. They are proof. Proof of what we've become. Proof of what we're capable of. Reminders that when we say we transform homes, we mean every inch. But this is only the chapter before the next one. Because in 2026, we evolve again. We're not just doing more projects, we're raising the bar on ourselves. Bolder home additions, smarter, more intuitive kitchens, bathrooms that feel like five-star retreats, spaces that don't just look good in photos, but feel right when you walk in half asleep at 6 a.m. For us, 2026 is not hype, it's pressure. Pressure to be more intentional, to design with more heart, to build with more precision. It's the year we treat every home like it could be the most important project we've ever done. Because for the people who live there, it is. So when we say, get ready for our 2026 designs, we're not just teasing new projects. We're inviting you into a new level of what a home can be, a new era, a new vision, a new standard. If you've watched us transform spaces before, you haven't seen anything yet. 2026 is coming. And when you're ready to reimagine your home, we'll be ready to build that story with you. Are you ready?